How to repel or get rid of birds with household solutions. Reports of birds being persistent pests in urban and rural areas are quite common. One of the biggest issues is the droppings they leave behind. Cleaning up after them can be a real hassle. Remember that there are laws in most states protecting birds, and you may be penalized if you kill one. Killing any other bird aside from pigeons, house sparrows and European starlings is illegal in most states. Most are protected by federal laws, too. There are many legal techniques that are not harmful to birds that will get rid of them and keep them away. Things you will need: pots, pans, radio, trap, nets. How to repel or get rid of birds. Open all windows and doors if the bird is flying around your house. Maybe the birds will fly out through one of the openings on their own. Close all windows and doors once the birds are gone. Buy screens for your windows and doors to help prevent the birds from being able to get back into your home. Do not feed the birds or provide them food. By feeding them, you are giving the birds a reason to come back and stay. They are scavengers and constantly looking for food. You cannot let any birds think that your home is a source for food. Get rid of any bird feeders surrounding your house. Placing a scarecrow, owl or hawk statue near your home, in the backyard or front yard, will usually deter any birds from coming too close to your home. Make a lot of loud noises. Loud noises will scare away the birds. You can use pots and pans, a radio or your voice. Try anything that causes a lot of loud noises. Eventually they will feel the need to find a different roosting place. Set up some traps. Place the traps in an area the birds congregate most often and bait them with things like seeds and corn. Relocate the birds once you have trapped them. You will want to relocate to an area far from your home. Place nets over your plants and trees. This can stop the birds from being able to rest on the trees and plants as well as stop them from eating the berries, nuts, fruits and vegetables that grow on them. Use some repellents designed specifically for birds. Repellents such as hot foot repellent gel work well and do not harm the birds. When the birds try to step out of the gel, they feel as though their feet are stuck. The birds will not enjoy the sensation of being stuck and will quickly get the message to stay away. All you have to do is apply the gel to the area the birds prefer to roost. There are several different types of repellents out there that would work well for repelling birds. Buy a silent bird scarer. They create an ultrasonic, high-frequency sound and sometimes have a strobe light or flasher. They are very effective in getting rid of many types of birds. There are different models you can choose from, and they will not be a disturbance for anyone but the birds.